the West Indies. It's been a great tournament. We've witnessed thrilling matches, outstanding performances, and unforgettable moments. Congratulations to both teams for an extraordinary journey, for captivating us with their skill and passion, and for making this T20 World Cup a spectacular event. On behalf of the International Cricket Council, I'd like to thank the host, Cricket West Indies, the sponsors, the international media and broadcasters, the players, and finally you, the fans, for making this event a special one. Let me introduce the presentation party that stands with us today. Mr. Greg Barclay, the ICC Chair, Dr. Kishore Shallow, Cricket West Indies President and ICC Director, Mr. Jay Shah, BCCI Honorary General Secretary and ICC Director, Carlos Brathwaite, to place the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024 trophy on the presentation podium. No one will forget what Carlos did back in 2016 in ushering the West Indies to a second title. Thank you very much, Carlos. It's been a wonderful occasion, and now we get down to the individual awards and the presentations. And firstly, I'd like to invite the match officials to collect their medals from Dr. Kishore Shallow, the Cricket West Indies President, led by the match referee, Richie Richardson. Also, Richie Richardson will come forward, and he will lead the on-field umpires, Chris Gaffney. And we move on now to present the runners-up who have played with immense skill and determination throughout the tournament and only did not cross the line today on the big stage. Congratulations to South Africa. You have been fabulous. I'd now like to invite the South African team to come up to collect their runners-up medals from Lawson Naidu, Chair Cricket South Africa. Now we can get the players to come forward. Othniel Bachman, Gerald Coetzee, Quinton de Kock, Bjorn Fortuin, Reza Hendricks, Marco Jansen, Heinrich Klaassen, Keshav Maharaj, David Miller, the impressive fastball Henrik Nokia and his colleague Kahiso Rabada, Ryan Rickleton, Tabré Shanzi, Tristan Scott, and last but not by any means least, South Africa's captain, impressive captain who's led so magnificently throughout this tournament, Aiden Markram. Great appreciation for South Africa and the way they've acquitted themselves in this tournament. We will surely see a lot more of South Africa in the knockout and final stages in years to come. And now with Aiden Mark considerations, I think that the appreciation from the crowd present here and those viewing the global audience have shown their great love.
तगड़ा हिले पर साउथ अफ्रीका.
If you look at today's game and the outcome, generally, how do you feel?
Yeah, obviously gutted for the time being. I think it'll take some time for us to have a really good reflection on a really good campaign that we've had. Obviously for the time being, like I mentioned, it hurts quite a bit, but having said that, still incredibly proud of the group of players and everyone that's involved in this team.
The bowling effort today by your unit. How many marks do you give to them for the way they carried it out?
Yeah, I thought they bowled well. Don't think there was a hell of a lot to work with with regards to the pitch. So thought they did well to restrict him to what we thought was a chaseable total. Thought we batted really well as well and came down to the wire. Really good game of cricket. So on all fronts, really chuffed with the guys today. Like I mentioned, not great to get over the line, but incredibly proud of this group of people that we've got going here in our white ball squad.
Was there a time in the run chase, did it seesaw with you the way that you chased the total? What was a crucial point for you?
Yeah, it did. And you know, we've seen with a lot of our games this campaign that it's not really over until the last ball is bowled. So we never got comfortable. There's always that element of scoreboard pressure, and especially at the back end, things happen quite quickly and can change quite quickly as well. But having said that, we got into a great position. Which proves that we were worthy finalists. Could have won the game today, unfortunately didn't, but still, like I mentioned, incredibly proud of the group.
Yeah, a lot of close calls. I was reading a quote from one of your journalists back home, and it surrounds a lot of South African sport. They don't know what we know as South Africans. How does that set you up for the future?
Yeah, hopefully really in a really good way. I think one thing that's guaranteed about a South African, wherever they are in the world, is they're a really competitive person, a really respectful person, and a person that will go down with the fight. So
that your time will come in future. Thank you very much for the entertainment.
thank you, Bishop. Thank you.
Big Markram, South Africa's captain and a worthy finalist of this 2024 T20 World Cup. And now let's celebrate the champions. May I invite the victorious India cricket team to come up and receive their champion medals from Jay Shah, the BCCI Honorary Secretary General and ICC Director. They will be led by Jasprit Bumrah, Yuzvendra Chahal, Shivam Dube, Ravindra Jadeja, Yashasvi Jaiswal, the impressive and great Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandya, Rishabh Pant, Akshar Patel, Sanju Samson, Arshdeep Singh was bowled splendidly all tournament, Mohammad Siraj, Kuldeep Yadav, Surya Kumar Yadav, and bringing up the back end there is their captain, their leader, Rohit Sharma. Great performance throughout the tournament. India unbeaten. And one would have to say the way that they've marched through by some distance, a well-balanced, the most well-balanced, finely groomed and well-led team. The only team to go undefeated in winning a T20 World Cup in the history of the tournament. Round of applause one more time for Rohit Sharma and his men. And now Rohit would make his way Red, congratulations, and I just press you back just a little bit so they get a good shot of you and none of me. How do you sum up this moment, given all the planning, given all, I suppose, the times that you didn't quite cross the line as you would have wanted to? Sum up this for the nation and for the global society.
very hard to sum up what we've been through for the last 3 or 4 years. To be honest, we worked really hard as individuals and as a team. A lot has gone behind the scenes for us to be here today and winning this game. It's not what we did today, it's what we've been doing for the last 3-4 years. That's the result that has come for us today. We played a lot of high pressure game in the past as well, and we've been on the wrong side of it as well. So guys do understand, when the pressure is on, what needs to be done. And today was the perfect example of when the back is against the wall, what is required. We stuck together as a team, all of us, even though, at one point it was looking South Africa's way, but I thought, a lot goes behind the scenes, a lot of efforts, a lot of mind needs to come together. And I'm very, very proud of the bunch of boys that I have and the management as well, for giving us that liberty to go and play and execute and having that trust in each one of us. And that has to start from the management, coach, captain, and then the players, go out there and do it. Throughout the tournament, I think we were fantastic.
Let's talk about a few individual players and not isolating anyone else, but Virat's form wasn't the greatest coming into this final. What's your appreciation of what he did today with the bat?
Look, I was, not me, but nobody was in doubt about that form of Virat's. We know the quality that he has. He's been on top of his game for the last 15 years. So, come the occasion, we know big players will stand up. And Virat was obviously holding that one end, which was very, very crucial for us. And the others played around him. And for us to get to that total was a team effort as well. We wanted somebody to bat as long as possible. These are not the wicket where you can just come and bat freely and keep the scoreboard ticking straight away. So we do understand that, and we wanted somebody to bat as long as possible. Virat did that perfectly. That is where experience, all the years that he has played comes into the picture. And the other guys around played really well. Aksar's knock of 47 was, I think, very, very crucial as well.
Let's jump on to the bowling now, and you've got many, many heroes across the tournament. Aksar himself with the ball, Kuldeep, Ashdeep. But this guy, Jasprit Bumrah, how do we put into words what he keeps doing?
I can understand you guys trying to put it out in the words, but I've been someone who's seen him for so many years playing alongside me. Even I don't know what exactly is with him, and what I know exactly what he brings to the table, but how he does that, it is just masterclass, to be honest. And he backs his skills, which is more than enough. And he's a very confident lad. Whatever he wants to do.
Director. Congratulations to India, led by Rohit Sharma. ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup Champions 2024.
विजेता वही जो हार न माने, विश्व विजेता वो जो दुनिया के सामने अड़ जाए। ये टीम इंडिया अड़ी है, ये टीम इंडिया लड़ी है। ये खिताब सबसे बड़ा है, भारतीय क्रिकेट के इतिहास में नया कोहिनूर जड़ा है। ये जश्न की रात है, ये सेलिब्रेशन का वक्त है। 13 साल का वो लंबा इंतजार बिल्कुल बनवास की तरफ। पिछले 12 महीनों में तीसरा आईसीसी फाइनल टीम इंडिया का। आखिरकार गोरिल्ली के उस लड़के ने आज बारबेडोस में भारत का तिरंगा लहराया। ये तोहफा है दुनिया भर से टीम इंडिया के दीवाने फैंस के लिए। ये गिफ्ट है कोच राहुल द्रविड़ के लिए। ये इंस्पिरेशन है उन युवाओं और बच्चों के लिए जो इस खेल को जीना चाहते हैं। कभी कपिल देव, कभी सचिन तेंदुलकर, कभी MS धोनी, और अब विराट चाह रहे हैं पूरी जनरेशन को क्रिकेट का ये नायाब खेल सौंप कर। और वो सारी भावनाएं जो हम अपने दिल में महसूस कर रहे हैं, वो आज आप टीम इंडिया के इन चेहरों पे देखेंगे। कोच राहुल द्रविड़ के चेहरों पे देखेंगे, हार्दिक पांड्या के चेहरे पे देखेंगे। जब भाई 5 साल हमने देखे हैं यहाँ पे, एक साल एक के बाद एक फाइनल। आप बताइए दिल में क्या फीलिंग है?
2007 में राहुल द्रविड़ कैप्टन थे और वहाँ क्वालिफाई नहीं किए थे। ये जहाँ वेस्ट इंडीज में दोबारा से पहुंचे राहुल द्रविड़ एज अ कोच 9 महीने पहले अहमदाबाद में हारे, वो भी अच्छा खेले, 10 मैच लगातार जीतने के बाद एक मैच हार गए और लोगों ने बोला यार जो जीतता वैसे खेलता, मैं समझ सकता हूँ, पर वहाँ भी इंडियन टीम मजबूत टीम थी। वहाँ रोहित शर्मा रो के बाहर गए थे, आंसू बह रहा था, जब ग्राउंड से वॉक करके बाहर गए थे, हम लोग ग्राउंड में मौजूद थे और हमें छक्के मुझे याद है वो शर्मा की भाई, और वो पल था। और आज यहाँ देखिए रोहित शर्मा दोबारा से, देखिए ऊपर वाले घर में ना देर अंधेर नहीं, बॉस उसके दरबार में देर अंधेर नहीं है। रोहित शर्मा एज ए कैप्टन लगे रहे, अपनी टीम को बैक किया, शिव दुबे को ड्रॉप नहीं किया, खिलाया, नंबर 3 को पंप खिलाया, विराट कोहली को ओपन ड्राइव, मतलब अपने टीम को बैक करना और सेट द एग्जांपल, पावर में खुद बल्लेबाजी करी। तो ये जो नजारे है ना भाई, वो डिजर्व करता है, क्योंकि वो 2007 से खेल रहा भारतीय टीम में, इतना लंबा सफर तय करने के बाद एज ए कैप्टन एक साल में 3 बार फाइनल खेला है, WTC फाइनल, ODI फाइनल, और वहाँ दोनों हार मिली, यहाँ पहुंचे और बहुत
अब चैंपियंस के पीछे बैठो, उल्लू कहाँ पे आ गए जो चैंपियंस के पीछे बैठते हैं।
24 बॉल 26 हिट, हारा हुआ मैच था, वहाँ पे ये हमारे चैंपियन मैच में लड़ाई करी और जीत के आए।
ये दृश्य देख रहे हैं आप, रोहित शर्मा बड़ा भाई है, ये बड़ा भाई है, ये फादर फिगर, एल्डरली ब्रदर जो फिगर कहते हैं हम, वो है। और 2022 जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, 2022 के बाद काफी आलोचना हुई, खेलने का स्टाइल T20 है, बहुत धीमा खेलते हैं, ओल्ड स्कूल, बदला रोहित ने, और सिर्फ अपने आप का गेम नहीं बदला, पूरे टीम का गेम बदला, सोच बदली। फिर दाद देनी पड़ेगी सिलेक्टर्स की भी, दाद देनी पड़ेगी जो जितने वहाँ पे टीम के इर्द भी लोग हैं, क्योंकि पिछले 2 साल में काफी कुछ चीजें बदली हैं, खासकर T20 क्रिकेट में। और कहीं ना कहीं ये राहुल द्रविड़, विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा, इनके लिए थोड़ा सा ज्यादा खास होगा। ट्रॉफी उनके लिए भी कितने और ICC टूर्नामेंट खेलने को मिले, लेकिन ये बहुत बड़ा दिन है। और कहीं ना कहीं जो एक मन की
ट्रॉफी से भी जमान कुत्तू करेगी क्या?
भैया ICC ट्रॉफी इतनी बड़ी टीम है, ये है वो है, सेमीफाइनल पहुंचते हो हार जाते हो, फाइनल में पहुंचते हो हार जाते हो, लेकिन चलो वो जो है आलोचना वो अब बंद हुई, वो अब लोग और नहीं बोल पाएंगे, वो अब बोलने का मौका भी नहीं, और मौका नहीं दिया इस टीम ने। जो सारे फैंस हैं जिन आंसुओं को आपने दबा के रखा है, उन्हें बहने दो, क्योंकि वो खुशी का समंदर बनने वाले हैं। विराट कोहली यार, पूरे वर्ल्ड कप जिनका बल्ला नहीं चला है, जब सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत थी उस बल्लेबाज की जिसने 1200 से ज्यादा रन बनाए थे, आज उसने फाइनल का ये मौका चुना, फाइनल में आके रन बनाए। एंड प्रॉब्ली कहते हैं ना, इससे ज्यादा परफेक्ट मौका आपको नहीं मिल सकता था। यू डिसाइड टू से गुड बाय टू द गेम दैट यू लव ऑन दिस डे, T20 फॉर्मेट को अलविदा कहने का इससे बेहतर मौका नहीं मिल सकता। गुरु जब आप जाते हो ना, तो आप शिखर पे होने चाहिए, जिस तरह से वो बड़ा प्लेयर है ना, वो when people ask why